Lord. That's why them played an 18-minute round playing $150, $200 artists. Every little song can do that. Me, I give you some big artists. All the way the wall at Bounty Killer. Everybody, come and up there. Level. Everybody raise Bounty Killer. All who said JAHWED, let me see the gunners. We are gonna shoot them now. Everybody point you down to JAHWED. Let's put it down from early. What is that? IVORY shirt. In a speak up a second. Jump on the hurt your kids. Go down. We don't believe the law. Don't throw the silent gun. You see tonight my silent gun, I go kill them. Everybody who knows say Ivory song go wicked 2 in the year. Let me tell you something. This is the difference between Ivory song and making JAHWED. Tell them. Level. You see, a long time I've been waiting to kill the Belgium Soundclash winner. Now I'm up tonight. Tell it.
Long time we want to hold you. I know we just catch up. Say murder your sound tonight. Some boy. Long time we want to hold you. I know we just catch up. Say fly off your head.
Level. Now we not street sweeper. I know I'm gonna play a tune. Them are gonna fret about it. They're not gonna like this. Give me the book and give it. No. Sorry on that.
Enough son boy, and I go like that show now. Just show them now, so I don't.
And you see, I don't need to tell them to suck their mother. The artist tells it for me. Tell them.
Son boy, go suck your mama. Go suck your mama. Go suck your mama. JAHWED, go suck your mama. Go suck your mama. Go suck your mama.
Level. Right about now, I want to pick up everybody. Whether you come from Hasselt, whether you come from Comin, Brussels, Antwerp, whether you're from France, the Netherlands, whether you're from Germany or France, respect everybody.
Respect all the foreigners, big up the yard of them. Ivory sound and play and win no like nobody them.
Everybody knows that Ivory are gonna win this one.
You tell them say you know, see we in a body man car, you know, see we in a body man a par, you know, see we sit down in a body man bar, cause bad man and body man at war. You know, no, see me with no girl, it's I
told you I'm going to give you big artists from way back, all the way Grindsman.
Yeah, I am a Belgium, this is like anti-clock, our sweet jumper.
I tell you, second round is possible, the big artists from way back, all the way Grindsman, who know the cash shoes, hanging on here.
We're not too dark, we're not going to the dark here.
Level. Let me tell you something about my sound.
IVORY not that powder, powder, nine. So get up, take your body, not driving on the earth. IVORY not that powder, powder, nine.
Level. We never powder nothing, you know. So you know, Grinds money on the brass clad. Now, I'm going to tell you something about the pussies, JAHWED. Listen, Kelly, JAHWED.
Cheap at a food, and quarter eater. Little this IVORY, about that bunch. Cheap at a food, and quarter eater. You better go to cool and master.
Hello. This is a slang type, this is a big artist. Hello, Red Junior Demos.
Good boy, they would have done snake and wiggle. I'm not someone who will giggle, but they will be live that way. I'm not even.
No. I tell the big artist, this is Junior Demos, bust it up.
Devil, and the puzzle, and the wiggle, and the cat, and the wiggle. I will sound a baby, and the wiggle.
No, let me tell you something else about my song. When you're up against me in a war, this is what Terry Girls is about Ivory song.
Yes, I am a bad man. Yes, I am a
No. Batman, let me see the gun up. Shoot JAHWED.
Yes, I am a bad man and me gun talk. This Ivory son we shut up them bumbo class. Yes, I am a bad man and me gun talk. This Mr. Irving shut up them pussy.
No. Ready again. Level. The same thing now though. I told you my gun would sing. You know what sound my gun sings? Pictures.
Hey, oh that guy, booty vibe, rabbit in the eye. You should never test the Ivory something on what you try. On the ground, Polly Wally, give the doggy bone. Oh, my sinner, yes, you go into the funeral for every. Send another song. Oh,
we got to spit about all the way Louis culture. Give him a beating now.
Mr. Herb, everybody. Hey, brother J.
When they're ready for a real clash, let me see the other side, Louis.
Them this then get this. I go. Well, Ivory, you've been through winds and valley. I'll survive out of the old gangster alley. No gunshot, but we still vandal.
We are part of the bogus patch from early.
We want them up, pop it off. We want us back where we rip off. Oh, you get the front stripe, take it off. Go and get the front man to rip off. Every day out there, I rip it off.
Alright, no. You see them, boy? They can't even manage a 20 minutes round. The pussy will them go dead. Them is a wannabe sound, and that we call them. Ivory sound a bad sound pick bad tunes. Let me give you a blood combination. Listen! What them wannabe fucking say?
Down on them, from the finger carbon, then you can know one different from the original man.
I told you combination, do you?
Champion, you're particularly
Every house and a who. When I said JAHWED, you said dead. JAHWED! JAHWED!
Yeah, Mr. Ivory, I'm Mr. Rascal, watch it. Hey, brother J, man, the plane. Don't even night with this king shot.
The
fire burn.
Level. Everybody wants to see JAHWED dead right now. Everybody wear something, wear something.
From the finger carbon, then you can know one different from the original man. Go tell them how to the real champion. You're particularly
Every house and a who. No who. That's it, right, Junior. That's it, right. Kill them with another boat killer. Level. They play 2 big tunes in the first round. A bounty killer and something else. We do not more than that.
Productions speak louder than word. Ivory no talk, let us some observe.
We can't handle this tonight.
Productions speak louder than word.
People, I wonder what time it is tonight. Could somebody tell me the time? Where people, man, tell them. Tell them what time it is tonight.
The time to get shot is now. And the place of you to bury is air. If you want to
Everybody wants to show it.
when you come on Batman party, I bring my Batman, wicked man, the Batman for dog. Backing on me and Mark, kill and destroy. We murder them, mama, make up a post up toy.
How would you like to you?
If you are sorry, mama, just on me, mother, like 21.
Coach, I hope you informed your mother that you're going home in a coffin. Junior!
I be rougher than them.
Go in!
Them gun them we invent the first faster. Every son can show the area. Touch it down and knock it out top. Right
Alright, Junior! Dash it away! People who are ready for an original Ganzi Junior, play like them. I told you I was going to bring you big tunes in the second round of big tunes, man. I promise I'll kill you.
This Ivory sound that
Everybody ready for Terry Ganzi?
Big up Mr. Earl.
Well, I'm going to kill Chow in the second round. I'm beating it, I'll go get.
Ivory sound is the order of the day.
Everybody!
This song without delay. Second off Henry.
Level. JAHWED!
But with the day tonight, so that's why we are fighting. Ivory sound, you must stand up and fight.
Level. Let me tell you the difference between JAHWED and Ivory. We are killer. Everybody went to the Belgium Soundclash. There was one round where some fool jumped on the stage, put 2 fingers up his ass, and nobody did nothing. This is what we call a winner. Tell you. How you saw that? Who believes in that up here cookery? Everybody make me see the other. What we call them winner? A massive blood
chest line with steel. Wiping out the ivory, come share up the place like a meal. We find out you a pussy, what we real. Run conversation must fail. Be a little chat, but you not no response to that. Don't say about someone.
Tonight we are killing with anything. I peer big artists under them rascals.
Just anything to start. Pull it for peace and a peace. If I walk in a park, let me tell you.
Anything.
You don't know crime in a ivory sound.
Well, anything me, I will kill them with the fun stick again.
Every of them big gun, they will bring up us Monday, Tuesday, right back till Wednesday. Load up with it back Thursday, then they launch from Friday. Somebody must bury Sunday. Every of them big gun, they will bring up us Monday, Tuesday.
We don't have big gun money, we have big gun plates with shop on them and we turn you up, turn you up.
What's someone? The now when I met.
Everybody rich, presidents. Come in to kill that pussy all day. Hasselt, I told them this round I'm going to give them a beating. The beating is almost ready. Right about now I'm going to play my rhythm. Drop it.
Them say war. Them say war. Ivory
Well,
sound
people
war.
are ready if you want. Let me see the other bit.
Them say war. Hey, Ivory sound.
No. You see, when you buck up against Ivory Sound in a war not done, war always. Turn it up. You see, people, no. This is my rhythm. They can't manage me on this. Turn it.
Them say war, them a bring, tell them that they're clever. Since I war them forever. Tell them bring, can't miss you never. Like a spin, Ivory Sound, tell them war, them a bring, tell them that.
No. You see, them boy give me a present because I did it. It's not a friendship thing. Tonight it's a clash. My thing was for Christmas, but for you, turn it up. Put your hands up. What was that?
Someone who hold them with their move ya. Like that. No respect, disrespect. In our aspects, I don't know who they are. We never see a contract. No respect, disrespect. In every aspect, we don't know who they are.
What is that? Drop me low. See, give me the next tune already. Give me the next tune. Let's see. Right now I'm going to show you something. Listen good, listen good.
Ivory tell them, the bad man over there. Say, I'm not bad man over here. Say, Ivory, the
Put
bad
your
man
blood and put your blood in there.
anything me up, me not go up. Me so if it's not me doing everything, every time I give up that. Bad man over there.
Well done, man, over there, so I promise you bad tunes, you're going to get another bad combination. Junior!
Ivory can't find me gun. I'm at it. You see, Mr. Herb Junior Rascal.
Well, already, yeah, big combination.
Don't me start this brother. Yeah, she call it to gun. Ivory sit down for me. Respect my man from all direction. And she call it to gun. Ivory sit down for me. Respect my man from all direction. No long argument.
Alright, people, I promised you I was going to give them a beating. Start it now. I'm about to get up on them. I love them. Take your way.
On your fight, Ivory, you should not run. Now we are never big up hardy gun.
No. Everybody gonna make we shoot Joey. Turn it up.
Ivory is a couple shot. Remember we tell them not trust that. Hear them.
No. You see the meeting I go start. I'm not gonna stop with one bounty killer. Junior, give me this.
No mercy.
All of them bounty killer. Listen, keep it.
Yo, Rascal. Junior, run and check. If I want run, I want make it stop. Somebody planted Ivory no pop up. Man a big bad man, no take no part. If you're this Ivory, you can put your in on the pass.
Alright, I promise the beating. I'm going to keep on beating them with bounty killer. Ready against bounty.
Kill him with Ivory, we never take bribery. It's warlord with Ivory sword. Motherfucker, you know.
When Ivory Sound come and clash, we now go easy for my enemy. Bounty killer, chill them.
Careful, them Junior Rascal. Ready.
I told you Porter is my rhythm. I'm gonna kill them. Ready for bounty killer? Kill them.
We know no mercy. Them get big on first. No mercy.
No. Ready for bounty killer again? Ready for bounty? Kill him.
We come no try, no check, no try, church disrespect.
No. People, I told you my gun sings. Who do I hear my gun sing with bounty killer? Tell them.
Ivory say boy, run, come up in and we make them boy. my son. And you know I disappear right there. And the army no want them ivory.
Get down on this. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Right about now, people. I'm gonna slow it down. Right now, I'm gonna take a smoke break.
You know it's time for sound, the herbalist. Motherfucking you should know I'm the verbalist. I don't know. Smoke you ganja. It gives you a good sense of humor. I don't know. One to them, father. Yo. Talk to them, Mr. Herb. Motherfucking you should know what them rest.
I'm ganja smokers. Let me see the hand up there. Light it up. Listen, boys.
Smoke your herb. Get on some praise. In constructive umbrella. It was from them things Solomon prayed. It was the wisest man in his days. I'm serious, when I make no joke. I'm trying to smoke and I'm cold.
Alright, I big up the ganja smokers for the clash still. Wanna ride the party